You hear a lot of noise about investing, particularly when you try to compare newer platforms with established, low-cost options. Today, we're cutting through that noise to ask a direct question: are spaceship fees higher than index ETFs? The short answer is, it depends on which product you're comparing and how much you invest. Let's break down the two main components of cost. First, the management fee. Spaceship offers various portfolios, and their annual management fees generally range from $0.15% to $0.50% for their Voyager portfolios. In contrast, many popular broad market index ETFs, especially in Australia, often have expense ratios as low as $0.03% to $0.07% per year. On a percentage basis, the index ETFs are often significantly cheaper. But there's a second layer of cost, the fixed or flat fee. Spaceship Voyager charges a monthly fee, typically around $$3, if your balance is over $100. For a small balance, say $$1,000, that $3 a month works out to $3.6% per year, which is very high. But as your balance grows, that flat fee becomes a smaller percentage. At $10,000, it's just $0.36%. Index ETFs, on the other hand, don't have a fixed monthly fee, but you will often pay a brokerage fee every time you buy or sell, unless you use a platform that offers commission-free trading for that specific ETF. So, here's the key takeaway: if you're a beginner with a small balance, the flat fee on a platform like Spaceship can make your total annual cost percentage higher than most index ETFs, even with the lower management fee. For larger balances, the difference narrows, and you're primarily comparing the percentage-based management costs, where broad index ETFs typically win on price alone. Ultimately, your best choice is always the one you'll stick with. But if pure low-cost investing is your goal, check those super low expense ratio index ETFs first.